All right, hit the like and subscribe button if this helps you out. This is my 2013 F150. Yesterday I just put these new rims and tires on. I got them from Discount Tire Direct, where they ship free to your house. They're already balanced and assembled, and all you have to do is throw them on the truck. I got the TPMS sensors with these tires, and I need to program them now, which the guy that sold me the tires said to go to a local shop and they would do it for me. And I did some research and found that you can buy the programming device on Amazon. I got it for $7. So I'm going to try to do it myself. I have printed out the instructions right here. And this is the device that I'm getting ready to open up and show you, and then we're going to get to the job, which hopefully is easy because I need a break. I had a really hard time getting the old rims and tires off the truck yesterday. They were like seized to the wheel hubs. Anyways, this is what I got. There's instructions in here, but they're tiny. And this is the device. So let's see how this works. Press and release the brake pedal. Press and release the brake pedal. Turn off position. And the horn's supposed to beep. Well, this video is gonna suck. Try again. Press and release the brake pedal. 1, 2, 3. Press and release the brake pedal. Turn it to off. Turn the ignition position off. Oh, there we go. I'm supposed to start with the front driver and then work your way around. Oh, you just got to keep it. You just have to push it continuously. Almost ran out of time. Okay, I basically have to get this sensor in really deep, and I think I got the two in the front done. Oh, there's number 3. I wish that I got that other one caught on video. There's number 4. All right, that worked. I guess if you do it enough for a living, it would be a little easier for me. It said, I don't know, training complete. So that's it. I'm gonna put these instructions at the end of the video so you can see them on camera. Sweet rims. I may even wash the truck today, but that was a win. I'm gonna have to edit it a little bit. Again, hit the like and subscribe. This helped you out. What I realized when I was just doing this was the sensor had to be really close to the valve stem, and because of the size of these tires and maybe the thickness of these rims I got, it was a little harder for it to grab the signal. This is the part again. I guess it's universal for all the Ford vehicles in this era, which that's a 2013. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.